Coffee is a beverage that has not only energized individuals but also transformed societies. Coffee is not just a drink, it's a global phenomenon that has shaped economic, social, and cultural landscapes. Coffee's journey from ancient Ethiopian fields to European coffeehouses highlights its profound impact. In the 17th and 18th centuries, coffeehouses in London and Paris became hubs for intellectual and social gatherings, influencing political and philosophical discourse. They were places where ideas flourished, fostering an environment of innovation and exchange. Moreover, the coffee trade has played a significant role in the global economy. It has been a major commodity in international trade, influencing economies of numerous countries, particularly in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. The industry has also evolved with ethical considerations like fair trade and sustainable farming gaining prominence. In conclusion, coffee's role extends beyond being a morning staple. It has been a catalyst for social interaction, economic development, and cultural exchange, demonstrating how a simple beverage can have far-reaching global influence.
In this presentation, I am excited to share with you the surprising benefits of dark chocolate on health. Often considered a guilty pleasure, dark chocolate, in reality, offers a variety of health advantages when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds are known for their role in reducing heart disease risk by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of small amounts of dark chocolate can benefit cardiovascular health. Moreover, dark chocolate also positively affects brain health. Research suggests that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and even provide neuroprotective effects. This makes it not just a treat for the palate, but also for the mind. Dark chocolate is more than just a dessert. Its health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function, make it a delightful addition to a balanced diet. So next time you savor a piece of dark chocolate, know that it's not just indulging your taste buds, but also contributing to your well-being.
Today, I am honored to talk about the Apollo moon landing, a momentous event that marked a new era in human history. On July 20th, 1969, Apollo 11 landed on the moon, turning science fiction into reality and opening a new chapter in space exploration. The Apollo moon landing was not just a technological triumph. It represented the culmination of human curiosity, ingenuity, and determination. It showed the world what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and work tirelessly towards that dream. The iconic words of Neil Armstrong, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the significance of the moment. This landmark achievement also had profound implications beyond space exploration. It spurred advancements in technology, some of which we use in our everyday lives, like satellite communications and numerous aerospace innovations. In conclusion, the Apollo moon landing stands as a testament to human potential. It serves as an inspiration to all of us, reminding us that with ambition and collaboration, we can reach beyond the stars.
The human brain is a subject at the forefront of neuroscience. This remarkable organ, though small in size, is vastly complex and the source of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. The brain's intricate structure, composed of billions of neurons, enables us to perform a range of functions, from basic survival instincts to advanced cognitive processes. Recent advancements in brain imaging technologies, like MRI and PET scans, have allowed scientists to observe the brain in action and understand how different regions are involved in various cases. The study of the brain has significant implications for treating neurological and psychological disorders. By understanding how the 0N operates, we can develop better treatments for conditions like Alzheimer's, depression, and epilepsy. Understanding the human brain, not just a scientific pursuit. It's a journey into the essence of what makes us human. As we continue to explore this complex organ, we unlock mysteries of the mind that have intrigued humanity for centuries.
Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery. It's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders.
Octopuses are creatures renowned for their remarkable intelligence and adaptability. These mysterious inhabitants of the deep offer insights into the complexity and wonders of marine life. Octopuses are known for their extraordinary cognitive abilities. They can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even use tools, demonstrating a level of intelligence that challenges our understanding of animal behavior. For instance, their ability to escape from secure tanks in aquariums has baffled scientists and underscored their problem-solving skills. Furthermore, their unique biology is equally captivating. Octopuses can change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, an incredible adaptation for both hunting and evading predators. This camouflage ability, combined with their intelligence, makes them one of the most intriguing species in the ocean. The study of octopuses not only fascinates us, but also deepens our appreciation for the diversity and complexity of life in our oceans. Their intelligence and adaptability continue to inspire and intrigue the scientific community and beyond. I am excited to talk about the fascinating evolution of astronomy and how it has expanded our understanding of the cosmos. This field, blending ancient observations with modern technology, continues to intrigue and inspire. Astronomy's journey, from early stargazing to the use of advanced telescopes, illustrates the human quest for knowledge. Ancient civilizations used the stars for navigation and timekeeping, laying the groundwork for today's astronomical achievements. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has allowed us to peer into distant galaxies, reshaping our understanding of the universe. Moreover, the study of astronomy has profound implications for our place in the universe. It challenges us to think beyond our planet, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity. Discoveries about black holes, distant planets, and the possibility of life beyond Earth continue to captivate and motivate future generations of astronomers. The evolution of astronomy is not just a scientific journey. It is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit to understand the universe we inhabit. It reminds us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning.
Audio Jungle.